Hello, makeup lovers. Today, we're diving into the soft glam look, a style that enhances your natural beauty with a seamless, luminous finish. Soft glam isn't about heavy layers. It's about subtle polish and radiant skin that works for any occasion. This look is adaptable, sophisticated, and perfect for both beginners and pros. We'll focus on blending, gentle definition, and a healthy glow. No harsh lines or complicated techniques. It's a forgiving, creative process that lets you learn the basics while achieving beautiful results. Whether you're new to makeup or looking to refine your skills, this guide will break down each step simply. The goal: a confident, put-together look that feels modern and effortless. Let's get started and discover your own everyday radiance. Ready? Let's begin. Every great look starts with a prepped canvas. So begin with skincare. Then apply a hydrating or illuminating primer for a natural glow. Choose a lightweight foundation or tinted moisturizer. Apply sparingly, blending outward for a skin-like finish. Use concealer just where needed, under eyes, around the nose, or on blemishes, blending gently for a seamless look. Set your base with a light dusting of translucent powder, focusing only on the T-zone to control shine, while keeping your skin luminous. The key is to even out your complexion, not mask it. This approach keeps your skin looking fresh, not cakey. With just a few products and simple blending, you'll have a flawless, radiant base. Now, let's move on to the eyes. Simple, right? For the eyes, grab a neutral palette. Think soft browns and a touch of shimmer. Sweep a matte brown through your crease for subtle depth. Press a shimmery champagne or rose gold onto the center of your lid with your fingertip for instant brightness. Skip harsh liners. Instead, use a dark shadow along the upper lash line for soft definition. This technique makes lashes look fuller and eyes more defined. No stress, just easy blending. Curl your lashes, then apply a couple coats of mascara to top and bottom lashes for a fluttery finish. The result: eyes that are softly defined, luminous, and effortlessly polished. No complicated steps, just simple, beautiful impact. Let's add warmth and glow to the cheeks next. Ready? Time to bring life back to your face with bronzer, blush, and highlighter. Lightly sweep bronzer along your temples, under cheekbones, and jawline for a sun-kissed effect. Tap a peachy or rosy cream blush onto the apples of your cheeks, blending upward for a natural lift. For glow, dab a cream highlighter on cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow, and under your brow. Blend all cheek products together with a clean sponge or brush for a seamless, radiant finish. The goal: warmth, color, and glow that look like they're coming from within. This step ties the whole look together and keeps it soft and modern. Just a few quick moves, and you're glowing. Let's finish with brows and lips. For brows, brush hairs up with a tinted or clear gel for a fuller, natural look. Fill any sparse spots with a brow pencil using light, hair-like strokes. For lips, choose a creamy nude, soft pink, or tinted balm, something that enhances your natural color. Dab on and blend with your fingertip for a relaxed, modern finish. And that's it. A quick, easy, soft glam look that's polished but never overdone. Remember, makeup is about enhancing your features and expressing yourself. Don't stress about perfection. Enjoy the process and experiment with what makes you feel your best. With practice, you'll master this look and make it your own. Thanks for joining me. Now, go shine with your everyday radiance. See you next time.